Alright, Kaylee, watch.
You're good to go.
We're having our...
Hey, Jen.
Wait for Jen.
Is this loud?
Watch.
Is this loud?
Do I need to move?
Yeah, I'm sure it's loud. And it better not come. Come on up.
Favorite one, Dave? Gotta show him who's boss.
Awesome. You missed the best part.
That's pretty cool, man.
That was smoky.
You hear all the stuff hitting?
Ow! It's hitting me.
Probably.
Listen to the cars. There's stuff hitting the cars.
Ow!
That's horrible.
That was awesome.
That was my favorite.
Mine ran out of gas and yours kept going, Pat.
Oh, they were both together?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there's trouble. Hold on, let's see if we can get that on video. It's kind of dark, but... Here, hold your lighter over it so the camera can see it. Holy crap, dude. Wait, move the lighter over to this one.
Dude, that
Move it to this way, Bex.
cool, man. Wow.
Yeah, look at the tube difference on yours, dude.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.
That was cool.
Let's drag him in.
I'm not sweeping.